Hey y'all, so I'm back home waiting for Sydney. This is like a couple days later. I'm back, gotta do my hair. I'm cooking some steak. They look delicious. Cooking some steaks. Waiting for Sydney to get home from school. Looks delicious. I'm cooking that. I'm about to color some wigs. Well, dye the knots on some wigs. And also I want to say that I have 2 wigs available that I purchased that I didn't like, and if you guys want to purchase them, just hit me up on Instagram at the SupNatural and DM me. Let me show you the wigs. Hold on, let me turn on this light so you guys can see and prop you up some more. Okay, they're still in the bag. I took them out today because I'm like, do I want to keep them? And they were in there. And they're glueless wigs because it has a strap on it. And they're like good for bobs, this length, the lace. And then I have another one, and it's a curly wig. And hold on, this net. Uh-oh. Okay, the net is still on there, but see, the tag is still on here. Here's the inside of it. Why does this look blurry? Could y'all see that? Okay, let me try to. Do it right here. Okay, so here's the inside. Has a strap. I never wore these before. They're brand new. They're good for like bobs, or if you like this one is curly, so you can just wear like a wet and go with it, wash and go. It still has its bag. And then this one as well. It's straight. They're good for bobs, or you know, whatever you want to use them for. Never worn. Probably will never use them. And if you want to buy these, just hit my DM on Instagram, the SupNatural. And I will send them to you. You can Cash App me or PayPal me. And you gotta pay for shipping too. Well, I ain't doing shipping. I ain't paying for it. But if you want those, just like I said, DM me. My meat My meat, my meat, my meat. I gotta move these onions out the way now. But these look so good. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and do some work. I've been posting videos and y'all ain't been watching. So go ahead and watch my last couple videos. Make sure you share those. Make sure you comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff. And I will see you. I know I haven't did a vlog in a long time, but I'm still doing the same stuff. And I'm trying to work out more. I've been doing a lot. So I'll catch up with you guys later. I just want to come in here and tell you and check up on you guys and tell you what I've been doing. I've been doing a lot, and I'm going to share it with you guys in like a couple weeks. And I'm so excited about it, but I'll get back to you. And I thank you guys. Go watch my videos, share my videos, y'all. Help me out. So, and I look a mess because I've been working. But I'm here. I'm alive. Okay, love you guys. See ya. Stand on this side.
It was smooth in here. It's that bleach.
Watch. Hold it up. Come up. Hold your arms up. Like over so you can get what's in the sink too. No. Look. Stand back. Put it. Can you see what's in the sink?
Yes, you can.
Can I record? Not you, but her.
A little bit, yeah, you can record a little bit. Okay. No worries.
I love it.
I'm watching Pokemon.